Hello, dear my students. I am Bandana Miss, your computer teacher. It is your computer book Cyber Hub Standard 5. So let's start our computer class. So now open your computer book, page number 7. Your first chapter is Computer Language and Software. In this chapter, you will learn about computer language, computer software and its types, system software, application software. Dear my students, do you know how a computer interacts with us? Or how can we express our thoughts, our feelings? We need a medium to express our views and feelings. We need a medium to express our views and feelings. So can you say what is that medium? Language is the medium by which we express ourselves. So what is that medium? Language. Language is the medium by which we express our views, our feelings, our thoughts. Okay. In the same way, to communicate with a computer, we need a language. Okay. To communicate with a computer, we need a language which the computer can understand. To perform all its tasks, the computer should be given instruction in the language it knows. A program can be defined as a set of instructions that is given to the computer to do a task. So what is program? Program is a set of instruction. So instruction means information, a detailed information about how something should be done. So program is a set of instruction that is given to the computer to do a task. Programming is a way of writing specific instruction in the computer language. So what is programming? Programming is a way of writing specific instruction in the computer language. People who create these programs for providing instruction to the computer are known as programmers. Programmer means people who create these programs for providing instruction to the computer. They use a special language. The programmers use a special language for writing these programs. It is called programming language. So we know about some computer language. Computer language. The computer language can be classified into three categories. Computer language is divided into three parts: machine language, assembly language, high level language. So first one is machine language. The machine language was the first language that the computers could understand. So what is the first language? Machine language was the first language that computer can understand. Machine language is the only language that a computer can understand. This machine language uses 0 and 1, where 0 stands for off and 1 stands for on. Since the computer language understands only these two numbers, computer language understands only these two numbers, 0 and 1. It is also known as binary language. Machine language also known as binary language. Why it is called binary language? Because it uses only two numbers 0 and 1. By means 2. So machine language is also called as or known as binary language. Understanding and learning the machine language is a complicated job. So this language is completely dependent on the machine. This machine language completely dependent on the machine. The advantage of using machine language is that it needs very little memory. So advantage of machine language is it needs very little memory and has a very high speed. Very little memory and has a very high speed. So only a few people learn machine language. Machine language is also called low level language or first generation language. So machine language also called as low level language or first generation language. So tomorrow we will read other language. So today your homework is you read up to machine language. Okay. Thank you my dear students.